Matip ngayon pulih na hay. Bagi Sdang bayo abreu ki news nam tam. Ya kitu bosong morway. Kumamia.
Wat mudur li min temian mea. Nam kum ka ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tempat jing jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Kesorkar Jelau Bakmi Ekatanat Sports and Youth Affairs uba Wailat Miki Shila haka Shpotrik Urempang Arja Pandreu ula Plepat ba yaka Inter University bala pelong dekat Sekolah ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kabelatip kumka AIU East Zone Inter University Handball Tournament bala penyat dak Association of Indian Universities. Kini kalimpung lai simenta daki nyop santli Kynhun ileka jong ki sanpot ligi skul ba ki belawan ban Mihkhmat na keleng ki jela jong ka East Zone. Jingpli perda ya kini kalimpung ileka la hilang ru ta MDC ka KHDC upa Matthew Kenneth Makdo u Narayan Bhuyan u bolong hunoi ileka ba paunam na ka jela Assam u District Sports Officer ka Riboy upa Bobby L Nongben Deepa Chaudhary kepada Joint Secretary jong ke Assam Olympic Association pada Gautam Chaudhary kepada Associate Joint Secretary ke Assam Olympic Association bat kiwe-kiwe. Hadirin balawa ke jingelang uba Wailat Miki Shila como menteri wakmi ru ya ketanat ke koi kakya ulaya kendu ya ki samla pule medical ayurvedic bat nursing haka skul ba Ustm.
Passing the ball smoothly. Chance created. We must shoot for passing again. Shoot but missed it. Now the ball position to the again BHU. Ball with the Harshit. Kynhun is there, number 3. Score by BHU.
Sports play a vital role in shaping not only strong bodies but also disciplined, confident and responsible citizen. Tournaments such as this one provide young athletes an invaluable platform to showcase their talent, test their skills and learn the true spirit of competition. Handball in particular is a game that demands speed, teamwork, strategy and mental toughness qualities that are equally essential in life beyond the playing field. I am especially happy to see enthusiastic participants from universities across the East Zone, and I am proud that both men and women athletes are competing on the same platform. This reflects our collective commitment toward gender equality in sports and the belief that talent knows no boundaries. Dear players, remember that while winning is important, it is not the only goal. What truly matters is how you play the game with fairness, respect for opponent, obedience to rule and grace in both victory and defeat. Carry these values with you and they will serve you well throughout your life. From February 10 to 14, promise not just thrilling handball action but a celebration of youth, grit and unbreakable team spirits. As a sport minister, I would like to reaffirm that the government is fully committed to strengthen the sport ecosystem from grassroots to elite levels. Universities play a crucial role in identifying and nurturing sporting talent, and even like this, tournaments are stepping stones toward national and international excellence. I also take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of coaches, officials, referees, volunteers and support staff whose dedication make such tournament possible. Your contribution to the development of sports is truly commendable. And we do understand, for you to have that encouragement, for your family to support you, we need something special. That's why government of Meghalaya, from the Sports and Youth Affairs Department, have passed the Meghalaya Outstanding Sport Person Direct Recruitment Policy, where a sports person in the past, we have 2% job quota for them, where they have to fight among themselves to get a job opportunity in government. But right now, in order to support our young athletes and to encourage the family member to support them, that's why the state government have passed this policy, where under this policy, whoever bring medals in national game, Asian game, Olympics, Paralympics, South Asian Games, directly they will get government job. No need to appear for recruitment. Directly, when you come, you'll get the job. It's like they say, medal lao, job leke jao. So I hope this is a big boost and a big encouragement for our young athlete. I wish all the participating team the very best. May this tournament be remembered not only for outstanding performance, but also for friendship, sportsmanship, and unity among our youth. With these few words, before I will resume my seat, once again, I would like to urge to all of you who have come, please take time. Meghalaya is a very beautiful state, very beautiful place to see. So please explore and please try some local dishes also for you to take your memory with you. So with these few words, once again, Kublai Shibon, thank you, and Jai Hind.
I think I'm very thankful to the All India University for giving us this opportunity to host this very important event here in Ustm. And at the same time, I'm very thankful to our Vice Chancellor for accepting it. And as you can see, the arrangement is very beautiful arrangement. And I'm confident that this kind of opportunity will open a platform for our young athletes who really have the potential to showcase their talent, and definitely it will help them to grow, as not only in academic but also in sports. Thank you.